Number 1. Rechargeable flashlight gloves for a handyman. This flashlight gloves can be used in low light conditions, freeing up your hands so you can focus on the task at hand. A must-have tool for auto repair and fishing. Number 2. Luxury gun whiskey decanter with 4 shot glasses. This is a cool stand and included funnel set to smoothly pour your liquor of choice. Number 3. Massage pillow for shoulder, back, leg, and feet with heat relaxation, which will relax your overused and tight muscles with ease. Number 4. 19 pieces men's grooming kit with hair clippers, electric razor, shaver for mustache, body, face, nose, and ear. Number 5. A tumbler with a cool shape lid. Perfect gift for men who have everything. It can make your favorite beverage fresh. Number 6. Happy Nuts Comfort Cream Deodorant. This magical comfort cream will keep you smelling like you just got out of the shower. Number 7. Bullet-shaped whiskey stone with wooden barrel gift box. These chilling stones can keep your whiskey cold longer while not dilute or waste a drop of liquor, allowing you to appreciate the perfect aged whiskey. Number 8. 9-in-1 multitool pen. The multifunction tool pen comes with 9 very handy functions: twist ballpoint pen, ruler, screwdriver, bottle opener, stylus, level, LED flashlight.